What's up, guys? We're out here with no Brivin, and we're about to make some ramen, but we're gonna add a little ingredient, if you know what I mean. Brian, open it up. Open this bitch. Oh, let's see the new tattoo, though, Brian. Check it out. Check it out. Go like this. Oh, wait. And he has one on his ass, but we can't show that on YouTube, you know.
Ready.
God damn. Sheesh. Yeah, we about to add the main ingredient.
First of all,
Just don't spill, Brian.
let me just drip some of the.
This man is crazy. He put like a pound of fucking tapatio. Bro, this is a new bottle. That nigga poured the whole fucking shit. This is what we got done. I got almost finished. And this fool, hold up. This fool got 3 packets of ramen, bro.
It's like more than halfway.
How much you say is in there right now?
Like a pack.
A full pack?
Yeah.
Yeah. This motherfucker eat hella though. Redneck Inventions right here. We got ourselves a fucking cable tie right here. You know, tell them, what the fuck was that? I'm scared. Alright, nah, but we got the dirt bike strapped, professionally done by Brian himself. And we better go see what it do, you know? So we're out here in Arizona. We came to grab the dirt bike real quick. Brian's fixing it right now because I broke it. Unloading it. But we should be good. Huh, Brian? Brian's about to get on this. We're about to see Brian do some wheelies on it. You know, bike life, bike gang.